Alright, hello and welcome again. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert the allowances. So when you open your database, this screen is basically what you should see. To insert your allowances, click the task, then you click insert allowance here, and this window comes up. Now from here you can select the employee that you wish to add. Alright, let's select this person here. Then I'm going to add the date that I want to add the allowance for. I'm going to do the 13th, and I'm going to add this person. I'm going to say this person worked from 9 o'clock to say 11 o'clock. Okay, then I click add here. Now what this does basically is that it puts this information that you add here into this box on the right hand side here. Okay, and there's a reason for that. Now the reason is you can actually add multiple people who did the same height or the same allowance, right, who is going to earn the same allowance for the same period of time. Example, let's say that these two persons, or let's say about 4 of them, 3 of them, right, I don't think that person works anymore. Through these 3 persons worked on this day, alright, 13th of October from 9 to 11, they all had some height allowance, right? Instead of having to insert it one by one, you just put all 3 of them, review the information, okay, yes, this is good, and then you click insert. You selected, well, you would notice I would have selected the height allowance from here before I click insert. Now notice the information isn't deleted from here as yet. There's a reason for that as well. Supposing these persons worked on height allowance and then they are entitled to dust allowance as well for the same period, then all I need to do is select dust allowance for the same 3 persons and click insert time. Alright, now, and this is what you have. This is what you have remaining here. Now I could check this to make sure that that person's time was inserted. See here, the height and the dust allowance both inserted. Now say this person is supposed to get height allowance, you just click this button here, delete, and you click delete time, and it deletes that time. Alright, when you're finished and you're okay with this, you can click clear all, and that will clear this section here of all the names that you added, and then you can go again and start adding more allowances and so on, right? If you try adding a name without an employee, notice you must select employee, a date, okay, 10/15, a time from, say they work from 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock. You must have those fields before you can add them here. Now if you add them twice, notice it doesn't come, it's not added again a second time. So if you click the button, you can click this button as many times as possible, but once these fields are the same, it will not come over. However, if I choose, let's say it's from 8, right, to, let me just see if this is going to work here, 12, it should come over here. See, now there we go, 8 to 12, right? If you try to insert just like that, notice you must select the allowance here, alright, before you can insert time. Alright, you must select an allowance. Now also, let's say you don't, okay, good, oh shoots, I made a mistake here, and I want to remove one of these times. click this here and then you click delete, and see that is removed. Now if I click the delete without selecting any, you must select one of these here in order to remove. So I think that's basically it on this window, and adding allowances. Thank you.